EnerSys, the world leader in stored energy solutions, has an extensive line of parts and services to ensure that you keep your warehouse moving. From design and installation to maintenance and recycling, you can trust the expertise of our engineers and service technicians. The EnerSys support system is built to handle everything from turnkey installations to repairs, with the most comprehensive and responsive service organization in North America. With over 400 factory-trained field and shop service technicians on call 24/7 and a vast service coverage area with data-driven scheduling optimization, EnerSys can be at your facility within 24 hours to ensure you get the best performance from your battery and charger investment. Our cloud-based monitoring and analysis programs provide predictability, sustainability, and profitability for your lift truck operations. By collecting actionable intelligence data, EnerSys analysts can identify problems and plan for optimal efficiency, reducing overall asset inventory, replacements, and maintenance costs. EnerSys offers maintenance programs to fit every customer's needs and schedule. Our series of diagnostic testing for both chargers and batteries keeps your fleet operating at peak performance levels. We can ease the constant hassle of watering and washing your lead-acid batteries to increase overall employee efficiency. Our PowerMax programs provide customers with detailed reports on the condition of their assets and overall battery and charger operations. We keep it all moving with over 500,000 EnerSys Pro Series parts standing by for quick and easy shipment. And our recycling service provides peace of mind with a cradle-to-grave program that ensures proper and compliant disposal of your batteries. The EnerSys support system provides everything you need to maintain a productive warehouse operation in today's constantly changing environment. To learn more about how EnerSys service can support your organization, call 1-800-EnerSys or visit enersys.com.